dear students. Today we are studying about the 15th lesson, that is linear inequations, that is about including number lines, number line system. And before that, what are equations? Equations means a statement, that is one thing is equal to that, a statement representing that is one thing is equal to another. One thing equal to another is called an equation. One thing is equal to, that is x is equal to 5, 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 8. These are all equations. That is, x is equal to 5. One thing is equal to another. One thing is equal to another is called an equation. And the second one, it is, that is, first is equation, and second one is inequations. Inequations means, that is the opposite of equation. That is, one thing is not, there is a statement that's represent, that is one thing is not equal to another. One thing is not equal to another is called inequations. That is equal to, for example, if x less than 7, x less than 7, this is the less than representation of less than, that is x less than 7 and 15 greater than 3x. These are all inequations. That is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are all inequations. And the third one is connecting verbs. The third one is connecting verbs. The connecting verbs are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, etc. That is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. These are all connecting, or is equal to, not equal to. These are all connecting verbs. And the last one is linear inequation. What is linear? That after that it is, what is linear inequations? Linear and linear inequations. Linear inequations. That is, what is linear inequations? That is equal to, that is, if a and b are real numbers, that is equal to ax plus b greater than 0, 1, ax plus b greater than 0, ax plus b, this is an equation, that is ax plus b greater than 0, ax plus b less than 0, and ax plus b less than or equal to 0, and last one, ax plus b greater than or equal to 0. These are the linear equation. This is a linear equation. This a and b are real numbers. That is, if a and b are real numbers, that is, we can write it as ax plus b greater than 0. This equation greater, that is, these are inequalities. That is, ax plus b greater than 0, ax plus b less than 0, ax plus b less than or equal to 0, ax plus b greater than or equal to 0. Okay, these are the first portion of this lesson. And next is the properties of linear equations. Next is properties of an equation. That is, one is adding. That means adding a number to this equation. On the two side of this equation, the sign will not change. The sign, that is the inequality sign, will not change. That is the first property, that is adding. Here it is adding this c added to both the sides, that is a plus c is greater than b plus c, and a plus c, that is adding c on both sides. That is, here it is adding a plus c, and here b plus c. That is, here also a plus c, adding c on both sides, that is a plus c. The inequality, that is, here it is, the inequality is greater than, here it is less than. The inequality will not change. And the second case, it is subtraction. That is subtracting a number, that is subtracting a number from both the equations. That is, a greater than b, then a minus c greater than b minus c, and then a less than b, then a minus c less than b minus c. But here also the inequalities will not change. That here also the inequalities will not change. And the third one is multiplication. 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 Here there are two types, that is multiplying a positive number and also multiplying a negative number. Here is a positive number, that is equal to, if you multiply a positive number on both the equations, here the value will not change. If we multiply a positive number on both the equation, on both sides of this equation, from a into c or b into c and a into c less than b into c, the inequality will not change. Okay, that is what is said, a into c greater than b into c, and a into c less than b into c. The value, the inequality does not change. That is the third property. Next is multiplying a negative number. Multiplying a negative number on both sides of the equation, that is a into a negative number and b into a negative number. That is, here this inequality, the sign reverses. That is, the sign for multiplying on both sides by a negative number, the sign reverses. That is, a into minus c less than, here it is greater than, this changes to b into minus c, that is equal to, the sign changes. That is, the inequality reverses. That is, here it is greater than and it changes to less than. And the fifth one is division. Division also, division, that is dividing a positive number on both the, that is for this equation, that is equal to dividing a positive number on both sides, the sign will not change. By dividing a positive number on both sides, the sign will not change. But for dividing a negative number on both sides, negative number on both sides, that is equal to negative. If it is a negative number, the sign reverses. The sign reverses. If it is a greater than and multiplying with a negative number, the sign reverses to less than. And if it is less than, it changes to greater. These are the 6 properties of linear equations. Okay, next is, what is a replacement set and a solution set? Replacement set means, for any linear inequation in a set from which the value or values of variable x is chosen, is called the replacement set. For any linear equation in x, the set from which the value or values of variables x is chosen is called the replacement set. And that the elements in replacement set, replacement set that satisfy the conditions of the inequation are called solution set. That satisfy the elements in the replacement set that satisfy the linear equations, that the members, that is the elements in the replacement set, that is called a solution set. Okay, what is that? If x element of n is equal to natural numbers is equal to 1, 2, that is counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And if it is a solution set, that is equal to, that the replacement set is, we can replace it as, that is the replacement set is x less than 5. If the replacement set is x less than 5, x belongs to n and x less than 5, and the solution set is equal to, this is the replacement set, that is we can replace it into, that is x is, the value of x is less than 5 and the solution set is equal to x such that x element of n and x less than 5. This is the set, and the elements in the set are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, that is x less than 5, and elements of natural numbers. Natural numbers, we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. That is, this x is less than 5. The numbers less than 5 is in the solution, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the solution set. If x element of n, x less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5. What is the solution set? The solution set, elements of solution set are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means why it is? That is equal to, less than or equal to 5. That is why 5 is in the solution set. This is the replacement set and the solution set of n. Solve first question, x minus 5 less than 0. X minus 5 less than 0, that is equal to, that is we can write it as x minus 5 less than 0 and x, and this 5 goes to right side, that is equal to x less than, this minus 5 goes to right side, it changes to plus 5. X less than plus 5 and the solution set is equal to, solution set is x less than 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the solution set. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. X less than 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 is the solution set. Here and another question, that is 4x plus 1 greater than or equal to 17. Greater than or equal to 17. And then take this one, this constant to the right side. That is 4x is here, and then this plus 1 taking to the right side, that is 17, and this plus 1 changes to minus 1. If it is taken to the right side, it changes to minus 1, that is 17 minus 1, that is 4x greater than or equal to 17 minus 1 is 16, and x greater than or equal to, this 4 goes to right side, that is equal to, changing to it as multiplication to division, that is 16 by 4. 16 by 4, that is x greater than or equal to 4. 4 4s are 16. X greater than or equal to 4. And the solution set is equal to, again it is set of natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And we need x greater than or equal to 4. Greater than. Greater than. That means equal to 4 means 4. And then after that it is 5, 6, 7, etc. This is x greater than or equal to 4. 4 after 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Okay. Okay, next question is solve 9x minus 7 less than or equal to 28 plus 4x, x element of w. 9x minus 4 minus 7 less than or equal to 28 plus 4x, x element of w. W is equal to whole numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And then here taking x to one side, that is 9x, and taking this 4x to left side, that is equal to, this is 4 plus 4x, and it changes to minus 4x. Okay, taking the x coefficient to the left side, and then less than or equal to, and then 28 is here, and then taking this minus 7 to the right side, the constant to the right side, the constant in one side and the variables x in one side, left side, and the coefficient, the constant in right side, that is 28 plus 7. This is minus 7, it changes to plus 7. That is equal to 4x, 5x. My 9x minus 4x is equal to 5x. 5x is less than or equal to 28 plus 7 is equal to 35. X less than or equal to 35 by 5 is equal to, what is it? Is equal to x less than or equal to 7. X less than or equal to 7. X less than or equal to 7. And the solution set is x element of w. X element of w. And this is x less than or equal to 7. And what is the solution set here? That is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is x less than or equal to 7. That is below 7 and below 7. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the solutions. That is the elements in the solution set. Okay, solve the inequation. 2x plus 3 by 5 greater than 4x minus 1 by 2. That is x element of whole numbers. That is, what is the question here? 2x plus 3 divided by 5 greater than 4x minus 1 by 2. X element of w. Again write this. That is 2x plus 3 by 5 is greater than 4x minus 1 by 2. That is equal to, cross multiplying, that is equal to 2 into, that is this 2 multiplied with the, that is here it is 2 into 2x plus 3 greater than 5 into 4x minus 1. 4x minus 1. That cross multiplying it. That after that multiplying inside the brackets, that is 2 into 2, 4x plus 2 3s are 6 greater than 5 4s are 20x minus 5. 20x minus 5. That is equal to taking this 20x to the left side and then 6 to the right side. That is we get 4x. That is this 20. That means this is plus 20. Taking to the left side changes to minus 20x. 4x minus 20x greater than minus 5 is here. And then this taking this plus 6 to the right side and it is changes to minus 6. That is equal to 4x minus 20x is equal to minus 16x greater than minus 11. Minus 16x greater than minus 11. Minus 11, that is, and then here it is x and here it is a negative and here is also negative. And this changes to this goes to the right side, that is we get x and the inequality changes, that is equal to x less than, and here minus 11 by minus 16 and it changes to positive. And it changes to, that is here it is multiplying with a negative here. Multiplying with a negative on both sides, that is here it is changes to the inequality changes, that it is greater than changes to less than. That is equal to x less than 11 by 16 and the solution set is belongs to W, that is whole numbers. We know that here 11, if we divide 11 by 16, we get a decimal, so that it is not a whole number. So any whole number is not inside this 11 by 16. So the solution set is equal to, solution set is equal to set 0. Solution set is equal to set 0. This is the question. That is here there is a small change here, that is this negative. This negative goes to the right side and here also a negative. Negative by negative is positive and here the inequality changes. This inequality changes to, this is greater than changes to less than. This changes to a small one, that is, and it changes to greater one, that is x less than 11 by 16. And we know that 11 by 16, if we divide 11 by 16, we get a decimal less than 1. It is not a whole number, so that it is equal to 0. The solution set 0. Okay.